I want to tell you a story. It's a story of First Coast Mortgage Funding, and I'd love to tell it. Jason Kindler and I started the company in 2020, and the reason why we started the company is that we worked at a builder mortgage lender, and we just got tired of going through the same old channels to do mortgage business the same old way, constantly asking for exceptions and doing things that we knew could be improved if we just changed this or changed that. So we went through a process of looking at several different options on how we would set up as a company. And really the initial thought is Jason and I just wanted to go somewhere where we could originate and do our own business. So we came across the broker model. It was kind of a foreign concept at that point. There wasn't a lot of people doing it in our area in Jacksonville. But man, we're really glad that we use that model, and we use that model today. So in all of our genius, we quit our jobs and we're all rocking and rolling to start First Coast Mortgage. And a little thing called COVID happened 30 days after we started our company. So we weren't feeling so smart and so independent at that point, because as you all know, the whole world shut down at that point. But then about 30 days after COVID happened, something miraculously happened to interest rates, us in the business. Rates went down to 3% or even lower. And it turns out you don't have to be a genius to be able to sell 3% rates. I think what was really beneficial for us during COVID, because nobody was out networking, nobody was seeing face to face. So it really came down to the relationships that you had already established over the years. And fortunately, Jason and I had established some really good relationships after being in the business many years. So our phones just started to blow up. Constant. We did record production that year. And we started the company in just a little office, almost like a closet. Our first two people came, Ashley and Andreas. And our first year, we just hit it through the roof with production. It's not hard to sell low interest rates. So that's how we started out. What I'd like to say is the progression. We started out with 2 employees, and now in 2025, we have over 60 employees. Record growth in a short period of time. Jason and I came through our process of deciding to do mortgages just as a place where we could do our own business, and we made a decision about 2 years ago. How did we want to look in 3, 5, 10 years down the road? Do we want to stay small and just do our own business, be perfectly fine? Or do we really want to put the pedal to the metal and grow? And we decided growth. So we hired some key people and we started recruiting loan officers, and we were fortunate that a lot of loan officers came over naturally through our prior relationships. And now where we stand is an amazing team of many different employees, many different managers that has made First Coast Mortgage what it is today. So the story of First Coast Mortgage is one of my favorite ones, and I wanted you to hear it.